on number 1 it says, consider the family of power functions, and it's f is equal to c times x squared. On the same screen, make graphs of f versus x for c is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they tell us what window they want us to use, and then discuss the effect of the coefficient c on a power function where the power is positive. So a power function, our variable is not in the exponent. We do have an exponent, but that exponent will be constant. But here our power function is cx squared. So when they want us to use 1, 2, 3, and 4 for c, all they're really saying is they want you to graph y is equal to 1 x squared, y is equal to 2 x squared, y is equal to 3 x squared, and y is equal to 4 x squared. And they want us to graph all these on the same screen. So if you do that, it's going to be something like this, and this, and this, and this. So it says, discuss the effect of the coefficient c on a power function where the power is positive. Essentially, larger positive values of c make the function increase faster. So larger positive values of c make the function increase faster. Or you could put something like it makes it steeper, but really that means essentially the same thing. So very similar graphs, but that coefficient, once you increase that, it makes it increase faster.